The advanced E.ON air purifying system works behind the scenes to keep the air in your room fresh, clean and clear. It works by constantly sending out charged air particles, which attach themselves to any dust, viruses, bacteria and mould that may be present. The charged particles are then pulled back into the air conditioning unit, where the dirt is trapped in a powerful filter system. The result is a cleaner, healthier living environment for you and your family to enjoy. Learn more about the E.ON air purifying system on the Panasonic website.